Welcome to LogiMAT 2020, our virtual show that we've recorded here at our office in Venlo. LogiMAT was canceled due to the coronavirus, and we put the health of our employees first. So, as Accerion is a very innovative company, we've taken this opportunity to provide you with a new digital approach, and we're going to have a demonstration, much like you would have seen at LogiMAT itself. My name is Jordan Friars. I'm the Business Development Manager at Accerion. I'm going to be talking with Terry Boyd, our technical reporter, and we'll be showing you the magic behind the company.
So, Jordan, what is Accerion?
So Experian is a Dutch tech company founded in 2012. We have 18 employees coming from 6 different countries, and we're really highly motivated individuals that want to bring a unique sensor to the Industry 4.0 and the logistics sector.
You say unique sensors. Does Accerion build the entire robot?
So Accerion doesn't build the entire robot, but we build the sensor that provides the highly accurate data back to the navigation system so the robot can drive itself.
But how does it work, and why do you say it's unique?
Yeah, so see here the two products, the Jupiter and the Triton. These sensors can be mounted on automated guided vehicles and scan the warehouse or the factory floor to provide absolute information and heading to the navigation control system for incredibly accurate navigation.
The market for AGVs has been around for at least 50 years and has various location sensors such as induction wire, grids, lasers, LiDAR. So how is Triton better than that?
Yeah, so I think this is my favorite part of our sensors is that we don't need to install anything. You don't have to install induced wire or grids or any reflectors. We don't need any of that. We just need your floor.
LiDAR doesn't require any infrastructure either, does it?
Yeah, so you're right. LiDAR is similar in an aspect, but LiDAR is really expensive, and it has to have an area that doesn't move and has to be consistent. Whereas our sensor, we can go in a tight, dynamic environment, and we have incredible accuracy compared to the LiDAR systems. We have sub-millimeter accuracy.
It sounds a bit like overkill for logistics operations. Aren't the existing technologies sufficient?
Well, our technology allows for much faster and more accurate operation, therefore reducing the number of AGVs needed and opening up a door for new applications.
What is the difference between the two Accerion products?
Yeah, so the Jupiter is our all-in-one built system, and what we did is we wanted to take the most important aspect of the Jupiter was the high precision, and we packaged it into a smaller package, which is the Triton. And this one was designed for that high precision accuracy while being able to fit in all vehicles, any vehicle size. So where the Jupiter can replace any system, the Triton adds to an existing software stack.
Can you demonstrate how the sensors work?
Yeah, absolutely. We'll show you right here. See here on the screen, you can see an enlargement of a grid 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter and the axis to show you the location of the sensor. If we touch the vehicle slightly, you can see the incredible sensitivity of the sensor when the axis moves between the 1 millimeter grid lines. Here you can see the Triton sensor performing line following. First we map a virtual line of 1 meter. Then we drive over the line and the sensor can identify corrections, as you can see by the purple arrows, which then turn green for the next correction. We mark the location of the Scout with a virtual docking station, as you can see. Then it drives around the floor in an example path, ending at the exact docking location, stopping within 1 millimeter to show the repeatable precision our sensors can provide.
We use this tool as a floor qualifier. We map 1 meter and then drive over the line at least 10 times for several different velocities, ranging from low to high. Once this test is complete, it shows results of red, orange, or green, depending on the floor suitability. As you can see here, there is a green result, showing that the floor is suitable for Accerion sensors.
Why a carpet floor?
So we built this system for industry floors, which is really our bread and butter. But we showed it on this carpet because we can do several other floors, and our goal is to have all industrial floors in the near future.
Can Accerion operate outdoors?
So we currently don't operate outdoors, but we're always improving the software. As for the indoors, we typically work on concrete floors, But for higher glossy floors, such as hospitals or production lines, sometimes we're able to perform a test to see if the sensor actually works on those, because the sensor requires nuances in the floor to pick up.
If indoor floors change slightly over time or become dirty, wet, or slippery, is that going to have any effect on Accerion products?
So the Jupiter or the Triton provide location coordinates with headings at a high frequency. Ultimately, it's up to the manufacturers of the AGVs on how often and how densely they want to map their grid. But ultimately, if the sensor misses a spot here or there, as long as the vehicle drives near the localization again and over it, it'll pick it up no problem.
So, Jordan, how do you build a map?
Yeah, so there are grid-based or virtual line-based maps. Ultimately, it depends on your operational requirements, but you'd use a dense map for something such as high-precision docking, and it increases the speed dramatically. You might use a wide grid for something such as free navigation or block stacking, and it can run on a virtual line for running longer distances or something such as machine-to-machine docking.
Aren't there already a lot of Accerion products in the market?
Yeah, so we have a number of customers with our sensors integrated to their vehicles, and furthermore, we're working with 4 of the top 10 AGV suppliers worldwide and actively testing. Clients prefer we don't say them by name due to the competitive advantage we are providing them. But what we can tell you is we're working with approximately 40 different customers in 10 countries worldwide. You can find more information at our website, or if you'd like to order the Jupiter or the Triton sensors immediately, you can email us at the email below.